Welcome to Advantech warehousing application. Okay, so it's been a shift from traditional intralogistic into digital intralogistic to replace the pen and the paper. So there are three key elements about the digital warehousing application. For example, the efficiency and the precise operation and error-free systems to operate the whole digital warehousing operation without any trouble and issues. And there are three key fields of the vertical application for the warehousing, such as the automobile warehousing and the retail warehousing and the port application. Okay, so now I'm going to introduce you the fully rugged computer to fulfill the harsh environment of the warehousing. So here is the vehicle mount terminal, which is fully ruggedized. And then we have some features with the fully ruggedized computer. The first one is the sunlight readable function. And the sunlight readable means that you can read it under sunshine and the visibility is still working well and you can read the content without any issue. And the second one is about the highly resistant touch, means that we are using a thicker panel and enhanced with the more flexible panel to make it ruggedized. So for example, if someone hit this panel accidentally, then the panel is still okay to absorb the impact from outside. Okay. And the other key is about the Wi-Fi function. So the Wi-Fi function, we adopt the Wi-Fi ABGN dual band with the diversity support with the antenna and the module, means that in the warehouse, because of some reflection from the environmental stuff, so the diversity can secure the data transmission is better than the regular module. Okay, and you might wondering why this is there's a red cap out here. The red cap is the protection of the Wi-Fi antenna. It's different from the traditional dipole, and the purpose is about to prevent something hit on the antenna and make it broken. Once the antenna is broken, then nothing can be transmitted from the terminal back to the admin server, and then whole operation will be jeopardized without any contribution today. Okay, and the other option is about the external antenna, and the purpose of the external antenna is for some of the forklift truck has the metal roof. And the metal roof might impact and reflect the reception of signal from the Wi-Fi. So the option is that we use the external antenna mounted on the top of the roof, then it can prevent the signal reflection issue. Okay, and another thing is about the shock vibration. So you can check out the picture here. So usually we mount the terminal on the main body of the forklift truck. So the shock vibration will be bigger than the regular vehicle. So according to our numbers, so the shock vibration is 3 times greater than the military A10F. So we are certified this terminal on the 5M3, which is 3 times greater than the military A10F. Okay, and the other thing is about working temperature and the IP rating. So in some particular cold chain warehouse, the temperature usually is about like minus 19 degrees Celsius to plus 5 degrees Celsius. So our terminal is able to sustain the temperature from minus 30 degrees Celsius to plus 50 degrees Celsius. So it's not only about temperature, it's also about the IP rating. If the IP rating isn't higher enough, then the water might still come inside of the terminal and to damage the PCB board or components inside of the terminal. So we also have the IP65 and the IP66 design to prevent this happening. Here's the way to demonstrate the application here. So you can touch on this product number, and usually the warehousing is using the barcode scanner to scan the barcode from the goods and the way to collect the information. Okay, so you can see there's a barcode scanner is connected with the terminal via the USB port. So when you remove the barcode scanner from the mounting kit, and you can point the gun to the barcode on the box, then press the button here, then you can see the barcode scanner scan the code and bring the information back to the terminal here. Then here is the information which has been included from the code. Another thing is about the power. Okay. Because this vehicle mount terminal doesn't have the battery, but it has the power module for the DC to DC. So the power source usually is from the battery of the forklift truck. And the power source of the battery from forklift truck usually is not really stable, and the condition might be depending on the usage and of the battery. So you need to have the well design of the power module to absorb some peak voltage rush current to prevent the damage of the power module. So we do have the power module design, and the failure rate is really low. It's about 0.5% of the failure rate since we ship out this terminal till now. In the warehouse application, there's an alternative solution which is using the fully rack tablet PC. We have a product which is called PWS A70. And PWS A70 has the internal battery. Also, we have the option of the external battery. And the total life cycle of the battery could extend to 11 hours. And regarding to the warehouse application, the 11 hours will be able to cover 8 hours of one shift. And regarding to the warehouse operation, it needs 1D, 2D barcode. So there's a design embedded with the 1D, 2D barcode on the top of the tablet. So you can use the barcode scanner to scan the barcode on the box, and you can collect the data of the barcode back to the tablet. Also, you can transmit the information, data back to the end server. It has the Wi-Fi module embedded, so it has the standard Wi-Fi module. Also, we have the alternative solution with the SAMI Wi-Fi module. And the reason is using SAMI Wi-Fi module is about it has the really good roaming performance. And the roaming performance is also one of the key elements in the warehouse to prevent the reflection of the signal. Okay, so about the touch panel, it has the sunlight readable function, so it enhances the visibility of the panel. So it's really good for using this under the sunshine environment, and you still can see the content of the application. And the other thing is about the hardness of the surface. So in some situation, the driver might use the screwdriver or the key to scratch the touch panel. And the touch panel has the 9H hardness design. So this design, the hardness is able to prevent the scratch or damage by the key or by the screwdriver. Okay, so when you have done using this tablet, you can just using one hand and put the tablet back to the vehicle docking. Okay, you can see it's really easy and handy. Put the tablet back to the vehicle docking for the mounting purpose, also for the charging purpose. Okay, so regarding to the vehicle docking, also with the tablet itself, it's been certified by the shock vibration 5M3, which is 3 times greater than the military A10F. And we do insist to pass the 5M3 certification, and the reason is the way to secure the stability and the quality of our tablet in the warehouse. Okay, and the other thing is about the daily operation with the tablet, that is regarding to the battery. For the operator, the battery needs to be charged. Also, we develop and provide the multiple charger with the 4-pack slots on the charger. So, which means you can charge the battery 4-pack at once, and you don't need to charge the battery once at a time. Okay, so that's the application of the fully rugged tablet PC in the warehouse application.